Agriculture transformed. A farmer trades his plow for a microscope. In a world where technological advancements are reshaping industries, agriculture stands at the forefront of change. Traditionally associated with plowing fields, sowing seeds, and harvesting under open skies, agriculture is undergoing a revolution. A wave of innovation is sweeping through farmlands, inspiring farmers to exchange their plows for microscopes, embracing sustainable and efficient cultivation methods. Enter John Anderson, an experienced farmer with a lifelong connection to the land. For generations, the Anderson family had cultivated the earth using traditional methods passed down through the years. However, John's journey took a dramatic turn when he stumbled upon a new approach to farming that would redefine his relationship with the soil and the plants he nurtured. John's decision to trade his plow for a microscope was not an easy one. Rooted in the desire to embrace modern technologies promising a better future for his farm and the environment, this paradigm shift revolved around harnessing the power of microorganisms, the hidden heroes of the soil, to enhance yields and promote ecological harmony. With his newfound determination, John embarked on a transformative learning journey. He attended workshops and seminars to understand the complex world of soil microbiology. Armed with his microscope and a passion for discovery, he delved into the microcosm beneath his fields, unveiling a vibrant and diverse ecosystem of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms that held the key to sustainable agriculture. The early hours of John's days transitioned from early dawn to the evening sky, from plowing to careful observation under his microscope. Peering into this invisible realm, he marveled at the intricate interactions of microorganisms that interacted with plant roots, exchanged nutrients, and bolstered resilience against pests and diseases. Each microscopic interaction told a story of a flourishing ecosystem, a stark contrast to the harsh chemicals and heavy machinery that once dominated his practices. One of the most remarkable elements of John's journey was his encounter with the Goodwin's Aktiengesellschaft, TGO AG. This consulting company specialized in guiding farmers through the transition. TGO AG believed in the power of microorganisms and offered highly precise soil analyses and innovative cultivation plans. John was inspired by TGO AG's vision and commitment, realizing that this was the right path for him and his farm. Over time, John's farm transformed into a beacon of sustainable agriculture, piquing the curiosity of fellow farmers in the region. Once barren soils now thrived, thanks to the assistance of microbial allies that converted crop residues into nutrient-rich humus. Water requirements and chemical inputs decreased as soil structure improved, erosion was mitigated, and water retention increased. John's journey from plow to microscope also had broader implications. As his success story spread, other farmers in the region adopted similar methods, sparking a wave of positive change. The community of microbe-focused farmers shared experiences, refined techniques, and collectively contributed to a movement that reshaped the landscape of modern agriculture. In a world where innovation often comes at the expense of tradition, John's story serves as a reminder that embracing technology doesn't mean severing the connection to the land. Instead, it's about forging a new, harmonious relationship with nature by revealing its hidden wonders. As John continues to advocate for microbe-focused cultivation methods, he cultivates not only crops, but also a vision of agriculture that nourishes both people and the planet for generations to come. For farmers interested in learning more about these methods and building a sustainable future, they can reach out to TGO AG. The Goodwin's Aktiengesellschaft is at the forefront of farmer consultancy. They assist farmers in humus buildup and provide highly precise soil analyses.